I am thrilled to introduce you to the newest Raquel Signature Collection styles.
I miss that sexy smile, looking forward to see you.
We've thoughtfully designed all 4 new wigs with care and skill, blending timeless beauty with modern elegance. Each is crafted to make a statement and enhance your confidence. Let's take a closer look. This is Curated cut. Bold, commanding, and full of life. This wig is all about confidence, with a silhouette that turns heads and a presence that refuses to fade into the background. If you're ready to own the room, this is your moment. Next, we have Main Character, a refined, effortless style that exudes sophistication. Precision cut layers create movement and grace, making this the perfect choice for anyone who appreciates polished simplicity. Now, let's talk about Always Trending, the ultimate blend of ease and elegance. Whether you're heading to a power meeting or a spontaneous getaway, this wig keeps up with your pace. Chic, versatile, and designed for the woman who's always moving forward. And finally, On My Way. Fashion forward, yet timeless. This piece is for the trendsetters who love to stay ahead of the curve. Soft texture and effortless movement make it a must-have for those who embrace change and set the standard for style. The Raquel Signature Collection is more than just wigs. It's a celebration of style, confidence, and individuality. We invite you to step into the new world of Raquel and experience it for yourself.
I miss that sexy smile, looking